Good morning, students. We are doing chapter 4, editing tools of word processor. So we will continue this same chapter because in editing tools of word processor, last time in my online class I've sent you one video where I've explained you about a few tools like how to insert header footer, how to insert column, newspaper column, how to insert column breaks, line breaks, page breaks, then how to insert tabs, indent text and margins. Then I've discussed you about margins and tabs. Okay, so today I will continue with the same chapter, search and replace text. This is one of the feature of editing tools. So children, please go through your book, chapter 4 and chapter 3 also you have to go through, because for your unit test these two chapters are coming, chapter 3 and chapter 4, and you don't need to learn question answers from the chapter. Whatever PDF I have sent you, please go through that, and you have to go through each and every pages from chapter 3 and chapter 4, because it is here in your unit test the question will be MCQ, and this time also you will be getting MCQ. So a short question answers, you have to choose the option. There will be 4 options, you have to choose one, the correct option. So for that you have to go through your books also. Okay, you don't need to learn questions and answers. So whatever PDF I'm sending you, please make sure you copy and you learn. Okay, so alright children, today I will show you how to do search and replace the text. This is called find and replacing the text. Why do we need find and replace? Since if it is a large document, so if this is a large document, okay, if your text are full page, then it is very difficult and it is time consuming to locate a particular text. You know that to find a text it will be very difficult if your text is full. If your document is full, then it will be very difficult for you to find a particular text. In such cases we use find and replace. Okay children, so I'll show you, I'm going to demonstrate you how to find the text and how to replace it. Okay, this is just an example I'm giving you. So in a home tab only you have to go to find. This is here you see find option. So which text you want to find, you have to click here find what. Okay, so here you write I want to find only. Okay, I'll write find next. Now see, once you click on find next, as soon as you click here, your text will be highlighted. The word find will be highlighted in your document. Okay, there is one find, then there is one more find, there is one more find. That's it. Word has finished searching the document. So your computer will show you a dialog box saying that Word has finished finding your word. Now if you want to replace it, then you have to click here and the replace button, and with which word you want to replace, you have to mention here find, and you want to replace with search. This is just an example. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. So I want to replace this word find with replace, and I want to replace all. Okay, wherever there's a word called find, I want to replace all. So I will click replace all. Word has completed a search of the document and has made 3 replacements. Okay, because children there were 3 find, so those 3 finds are replaced with search. Now have a look. I click OK. I close this option and I want to see search. All those find word has been replaced with search, search and search. Okay children, this is how you can find your particular text if your document are large, and you can replace it with some other word. Okay, now we will move on to insert smart art. Smart art is also very important feature of Microsoft Word. Okay, so smart art is a graphic tool that allows you to display your data as a visual presentation. So if you want to display your data in a visual format, then in that case you can insert smart art. Okay, like it is similar to chart, not chat, I'm talking about CHART, chart. You can use a smart art to display information in a manner that you can easily understand. So if I draw something, okay, if I draw a flow chart and if I write something in it, then it will be easy for you to understand if I show you visually, okay, rather than telling you orally. So in such cases we can use smart art. Okay, so to insert a smart art, we have to go to insert option. Okay, so it is actually the smart art are actually, these are the predefined layouts. Okay, these are the predefined layouts. So here smart art, go to insert and see smart art. These are predefined layout. You see, these are all layouts. Okay, these are all layouts: list, process, cycle, hierarchy, relationships, matrix, and pyramid. These are all layouts. You can select these layout and you can modify as needed. Okay, so first I'm going to insert one of the layout, list. Okay, so I wanted to click vertical picture list. Okay, so see, this is, here you can insert picture and you can write text. Here you can insert picture and you can write text, insert picture and write text. So I'll insert picture here. I'll just insert one of the picture here. Suppose presentation, insert. Okay, then I'll write text here. Suppose visual presentation, visual effect, PowerPoint. Okay, I'm writing PowerPoint here. So here one more text you can write, animation, and here I'll write transition. Okay, so see children, this is your smart art, and here I'm just giving an example. Here I have inserted one picture and these are the text. Okay, this way you can insert your smart art. Now insert clip art or online picture. So children, I think you are very much familiar with the word clip art, because I'm sure you must have done this in class 4 also, how to insert a clip art. So anyways, I'm going to show you how to insert clip art. Go to insert, click on clip art. Clip arts are ready-made pictures which are given by your computer system. So I'll just search few clip arts. So these are clip arts. I'll click here. This is your clip art. Okay, so these clip arts and smart art are actually used to make your document more attractive, and it's actually these are used in a presentation to make it more visualized. Okay, so this is how you use your smart clip art. Then comes the last option, which is called adding watermark. So watermark is a transparent image or a text visual on a document. A watermark is often added to every page of a document. It acts as a mark of ownership or authenticity for a document. So sometimes in your you must have seen the watermark in your report card also, like Rockville it's been written in your report card. Just have a look if you have it. So it is actually an image or a text which is visible, okay, likely visible in your document. Here I'm going to show you how to add watermark. So to add a watermark, you have to go to okay, just wait. Watermark is a transparent image or a text visible on a document. A watermark is often added to every page of a document. It acts as a mark of ownership or authenticity for a document. So if you have added a watermark, then that watermark will be visible in each and every pages. So MS Word allows you to add watermark to every page of your document. Okay, the application also offers to create a custom watermark. In this case, you can specify the text of the watermark. You can specify watermark, text of the watermark. yourself also. Okay, here in your page layout, I'll click on watermark. So this type of text will be displayed in your page. Okay, that is watermark. So custom watermark, where you can write your own text. Text watermark. Text I'll write Rockville. Okay, so you can see Rockville here. It will appear as a watermark. So I'll just delete this to show you how watermarks looks like. I'll just minimize the size of this matter. So see Rockville, this is called watermark. These are the transparent image. Okay, so if you want to apply this watermark to each and every pages, you can apply. You have to go to page layout, go to watermark. Custom means you can make your own watermark. As I told you, Rockville, you can give a font color, font style. Okay, then you can give the color to your watermark also. Okay, so this is your watermark. This is called watermark. Okay, then come inserting cover page. A cover page or a title page is an introductory page of a document. It displays information about the document that a reader can view. It can display information about the document such as document's title, subtitle, author's name, and so on. You all know that cover page means is the title page. Okay, introductory page of a document. Okay, the first page is called the cover page. So how to insert a cover page? You have to go to insert, and in the pages you have to click on cover page. So here you go to insert, here comes cover page. Okay, so I click cover page. So you have to choose the cover page. Suppose you are making a project. Okay, you are working on a project, you are making a project and you want to make a cover page. So you can click on insert cover page. So this is your cover page. Type the document title, suppose computer project. This is your cover page. Type the document title. Title is suppose editing tools. This is your title. Okay, then you can type author's name, suppose Aviv. Okay, and you can write a date. You can choose the date, 29th July. So this way you can make your cover page. Okay, so you can print it out later and you can make your cover page for your document or for your project. Okay children, so this much for today. So this was all about editing tools. So if you have computer, please do practice. Okay, do practice. You can take a help of your book, practice all these editing tools that I have explained to you. And children, please go through your books, go through each and every pages, because in your unit test I've given you questions from chapter 3 and chapter 4. You don't need to learn long question answers. Okay, this much for today children. So I'll be continuing the same chapter in my next class. Thank you children. Stay home, stay safe.